Yes, he almost ripped. Make sure the drag's set right, bud. Looking good. That's awesome.
Yep, suck them in.
Nice fish. Get the net.
Get that net wet and get it soaked.
Yes, keep it in the water, Robbie. That net has to stay in the water. Hey, and make sure that drag's set, Rob. If it's not, he's gonna break your line. You make sure he can pull that out, because when he gets next to the boat, he's gonna run. He's gonna run and he's gonna snap your line if you ain't set right. Make sure he's pulling drag. There he goes. Yeah, baby. Good fish, dude. Real nice.
Don't hit it.
Keep that line tight, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's gonna run. Keep him away from the motor, baby. Keep the line tight.
Don't get that thing.
Hey, careful, careful.
Bring it up yet.
He's right there, dude. He's on there. Nice fish. Oh, he's a big one.
Let him tire out a little.
Yes, let him tire out. Don't force him. Get the line in it. Rob, you got to get the line in, and there you go. You got to get it deep. Get down in there, Robbie. This is what we're talking about. This is what you come to Blue Marsh for. Woohoo! Striper! Woohoo!
All right, let me get him.
Nice! Keep it in there. Keep it in there. He's huge, dude.
Get him, get him, get him.
Nice.
Yes. Just when we thought we weren't going to get it.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty.
We didn't get that. We're tangled with the other woolly rig. Sorry.
That's okay. Just get the fish off and let's get some pictures.
Which bucket is he going in, Dad?
Oh, we're not quite going to keep it.
We're not what?
No, we're not keeping him. No, we don't keep these. This is what you take back. Hey. Hey. Get your face showing here, buddy. We don't want to show everybody our spot, but wow, what a fish. Robbie, get in there, man.
There, you can hold him, Robbie.
Jessica, get in there. Looking good, kiddo.
There, you hold him, Robbie. I'll take a picture of him.
That looks good.
Right like that. Grab him right there.